Dear friends, in this video, let us see how to regain back the closed tabs in Google Chrome. Just go to Google Chrome. So now I have used several tabs and it was open, and when I open the Google Chrome now, it has been closed. Okay, so it is plain, just plain. So how to get it back is just go to these three dots at the top right side, click it. Now go to history. Now scroll it down. Yes, click restore window. Control Shift T or okay. Now click restore window. Okay. So these are the tabs that I have already opened. Okay. So I have got back the tabs back. Okay. See here, so many tabs I have opened already while I was working earlier. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 18 closed tabs I have got it back. Okay. So let me close it now. So let us see again how to regain back the closed tabs. Is go to Google Chrome, click login. Okay. After opening the Google Chrome, the closed tabs are not open. Okay. So how to regain back the closed tab is go to these three dots, go to history, go to 18 tabs, restore window, click it. Okay. So these are the tabs that I have opened. Okay. So this is the procedure how to regain back the closed tabs. Okay. Thank you friends. Thank you so much for watching. If you are not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Thank you so much.